Well, we are live on this beautiful Thursday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you are very blessed. I pray your family is blessed in multiple ways, as Bitcoin right now is at the make it or break it, the white box that we had on our chart yesterday. The big major zone of support. Where are we going to hold? Where are we going to dump? It's absolutely insane. As you can see, we're coming down to the massive confluence on the Bitcoin chart after dumping massively for hours, what felt like years. Here we are at the make it or break it zone, the trend line, the green box, the point of control of the range. And not only that, if we go ahead and take our Fibonacci pull from the last major swing low to the current high, you can see we're bouncing right from the area between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786. We got to put it on our chart. This is absolutely sensational right now, guys. I can't even believe what my eyes are seeing. Oh my goodness, because here's the deal. As we come down to this key level of support, if we lose the level, we are absolutely going to dump down to the bottom of the range, and I'm talking 85K, guys, or worse, So come on, fingers crossed, baby. How's it looking on the 4-hour? Pretty bad. Momentum coming down, money flow coming down. How's it looking on the daily? Bearish divergence confirmed. Oh my goodness, as you can see on the daily time frame right now, guys, we indeed do have a bearish divergence confirmed as the price is making higher highs, coming to the top of this what appears to be a ascending channel. We are seeing the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boob pattern. The man boobs are indeed getting lower as the price is getting higher. We take the boobs, we stretch them across the chart. Got to stretch them out nice and big and good. Oh man, that is called in the medical journals, guys, a bearish divergence. At least that's what they call the New England Journal of Medicine. The upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern is called a bear div. Now here's the deal. As we are watching this play out, we are also seeing a potential bullish sign on the 1-hour time frame, which is this. As the price is getting lower into our key box of support, the green box of support, I have not changed this chart since yesterday, guys. I mean, look at this, man. Our target for the short yesterday was hit. All right, we hit the target. Hit the dang target. White box must hold, all right? So far, guys, white box is holding. All right? Why's it got to be white? All right, it's a little bit racist. Now we're going to come back over here. Look at this. All right? Look. As we're coming down to this box, we go to our 1-hour time frame, and what do we see? We do see the bullish uneven butt cheek pattern. Big on the left side, skinny on the right. Butt cheeks looking floppy, then they're looking tight. Juicy on the left, skinny on the right. Butt cheeks flopping around, looking kind of tight. That's also known as a bullish divergence. We come down to the 24-minute time frame, and man, oh man, I don't even know what to call this, guys. I don't know what to call this. This is not necessarily a bullish divergence, all right? But just by a hair, just by a little hair, technically speaking, you could consider this a bullish divergence. Now, when we get to the 12-minute time frame, also, just by a smidge, we have a bull dip. But here's the thing that's keeping me a little bit hopeful here. 12-minute money flow crossing from purple into the blue as we are getting a move to the upside here. All right, so this is key, man. We are at a very, 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 very key level. And as you can see, I'm in a $500,000 long trade right here. $500,000 on the line, baby. Oh, man. Jason Casper. How could you be so not serious with so much money on the line? I can't believe people think I'm not being serious. This is the face of utter seriousness. The emotions are running high. Okay? The plungers are here. Ready to plunge, baby. In fact, if we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. 1,000 USDT, baby. All right, so Bitcoin right now is coming up to a very important level, man. We got to clear off the dang chart. Boom. Wait, let's not clear off the whole chart. Yeah, let's clear off the whole chart. Boom. We'll clear the chart. Okay, we are right now trying to reclaim a very important level, which is this. All right, the back test of 98,681. Can we hold? If we can hold above 98,681, man, we could see a little bit more movement to the upside, guys. We could see a little bit more movement to the upside. Now, let's not forget where we've come from. All right, don't forget your roots. All right, stay rooted, you know? Like the, You know, back in the day, in the New Jersey, New York hardcore scene, you used to wear these shirts. Stay rooted, man. Remember where you came from, all right? Let's remember where we came from. All right, we're going to go ahead and take what are they called again? A parallel channel. All right, parallel channel. We're going to take it from the high. We're going to connect it to these highs. And whoop! Hang on. Abandoned mission. We're going to have to start this again. Sorry, it's very difficult. I don't really know how to use TradingView. It's one of the cons of being just a YouTuber, all right? Not a real trader. So look at this, guys. We are coming to the bottom of the channel here. We can see that right now our last resistance is going to be 98,681. If so, if we pull our fib from the high to the low, then our next resistance is going to be the midline of the channel, right around $103,000. So if we can hold above 98,681, even in a bearish scenario here, I'd say, even in a bearish scenario, I'd say we can at least get a pump up right now to the midline of the channel. Now, given the fact that the 1 hour time frame is potentially printing a bullish divergence, given the fact that the 24-minute technically has bullish divergences, BitBoy butt cheeks, given the fact that the 12-minute time frame money flow is looking bullish, given the fact that the 6-minute time frame right now, money flow, how's she looking? Let's take a look. Well, she's getting higher over time. The divergences are looking juicy. All right, in fact, I'd say even the 6-minute time frame technically has what I like to call a pig nipple bullish butt cheek market cipher pattern. All right, because the pig nipples we see, it's kind of like how the momentum waves look. They're getting higher over time to feed those baby piglets full of colostrum and proteins and fats and carbohydrates. All right, bullish, bullish. All right, bet you didn't know pigs and bulls were related, but it's true. All right, if you're out there on a farm, you got the pigs, you got the bulls, you got the cows, you got the sheep, you got the chickens. They all work together to keep the ecosystem going. All right, so we're bouncing from the trend line. We're bouncing from the box, baby. We're scared. We're a little bit scared. We're a little bit nervous, but you know what? You know what? We're not here to make money. We're here to be sensational on YouTube. And this is a little bit sensational. Now, we're going to take a look at the order flow. All right, let's check out the order flow, see what's going on. All right, so I do have to say this, guys. I do have to say that technically speaking, there is a little bit of bullish CBD here. All right, if we want to get technical, there is a little bit of bullish CBD down here. I wouldn't put too much. Wouldn't bet the farm on this bullish CBD, especially since the last big push down was a decrease of open interest here. Let's see, you know, what happened this last move to the downside. Okay, so we had a bunch of shorts opening up under the VWAP today. If we can get above daily open, guys, if, and it's a big if, oh, Bitcoin is right now losing our key level. Oh man, this is scary stuff, guys. This is scary stuff. This really is petrifying stuff. Come on, Bitcoin. Can she get above the level? Can she get above the level? Yes! 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 She's doing it, man. She's doing it. We knew you could do it, Bitcoin. We knew you could do it, Bitcoin. Shout out to Splashfire Films. He says we're bouncing all over the place. Shout out to Landon Maximus. He says 84K incoming. Shout out to Giuseppe Pensiti, who says bring us some hoping. Shout out to Gene Lee. I knew this guy in El Captain who taught his pigs to bark at strangers. Interesting. All right, so Joel was not scared. Joel Machine. I was not scared. Bought the dump. Now it dumps again. Now I got no money. I hope that's just a joke. All right, Jove, he says we are cooked. Shout out to Dome Life. He says, best demo trader ever. Thank you, my friend. I do pride myself. Okay. Now, let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. This is intense. I'm not going to lie, guys. Now, obviously, I've still got the short open, and I've still got the other long open as well. So here's the deal, though. I'm over $500,000 long, and on the short end right now, I'm only like $100,000 short. All right, white box must hold. I'm not going to close the short at all. I'm not going to take any more profits on the short. I got $13,000 in it, $150,000 short. All right, I'm not going to close it in case of massive dump here. All right, I really want Bitcoin to hold above this support resistance flip, the one that we just pointed out at 98,681 on ByBit USD. All right, guys, make sure to smash the likes. We're so close to 1,000 likes. so we can do a $1,000 giveaway. All right, here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. This is the make it or break it level right here. All right, we're gonna have to make it thick and green. I like my lines the way I like my women, thick and green. Shout out to my wife. No offense, babe. Love you. All right, don't mean to call you thick and green. I don't actually like my women thick and green, all right? I like them thick and white, all right? Shout out to my wife again. Let's make it white. There you go. Now, this is the key line, all right? Key. This is the make it or break it moment. Key line pie. All right, we're going to have to make the text green. Key line pie. We're going to make it bold. We're going to make it big and bold. All right, we are here at the key line pie, baby. All right, this is the channel. All right, this is the channel. This is the big channel that Bitcoin's been trading in for a long time. We are down at major support. All right, we zoom out. We can see clearly what is happening here. All right, there's no mincing words. All right, this is it. We're naked before the world of Bitcoin price action. Because if we start to lose this trend line, guys, then we're actually losing this trend line. And if we're going to lose this trend line, then there's a really good chance we actually come down to the lows of the range around 85, 84K. All right. So we got to hold. We got to hold. Come on, Bitcoin. The key line pie must hold. And of course, look, if we lose 84K, I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but the reality is, guys, we do have a confirmed bear div on the daily. And so if we're not going to hold this key support right here, I do get nervous. I do get scared. I don't really get scared, but I get bearish. I feel like the price will come lower. All right. I feel like the price will come lower. Okay, come on, Bitcoin. Come on. The key line pie must hold. Oh, how's it looking, guys? Let me know in the chat. Is it holding? I can't even look. Let me know in the chat. Is it holding or not? I can't even look at the screen. I'm too scared. Oh no. Let's check out order flow on a lower time frame. What's happening here? Let's see. So we had a massive decrease of open interest here. Basically, shorts have taken profit, it seems, and for good reason. And longs got wrecked on that drop. And now, I don't know. I really don't know what's happening here. I gotta trust in my market Cipher B, but this is, oh my goodness. Let's go to a lower time frame. Come on, Jason. You can relax, buddy. It's okay. You can relax. All right. All right. I'm relaxed, guys. I'm relaxed. I am relaxed. Okay, here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. We're so close to our likes. We're so close to 1,000 likes for a $1,000 giveaway. All right. Shout out to Jesse Gulick. He says, Gianna is bullish. All right. This guy says, RIP, bud. Shorts opening up. Technically, we have a CME at 77.5. Yeah. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to Comic Lover. Shout out to KCC, the pump song. It's not holding. Okay, people in the chat say it's not holding. Not looking good. Joe Potter, are you still long and strong? Joe Potter. Joe. Let me know. All right, we'll take a look here. Shout out to AJ Jr. Al Jr. Shout out to Mr. UK. How about Ethereum? Look, we'll take a look at Ethereum, but right now I'm in a $500,000 Bitcoin long, hoping for a bounce, but I'm feeling very nervous and scared. Okay? I'm feeling very nervous and scared here. Let's see what's happening. We're going to go back to the order flow. Let's see. Oof. Shorts opening up here. Shorts opening up for sure. Yeah. All right, we got shorts opening up. People are shorting this. How could you be bearish on Bitcoin, guys? It's an up-only asset in the middle of a golden bull run. What are you even thinking? What are you even thinking? All right, so here's the deal. We got to be real careful here. Maybe we make a higher low. And there is one last hope. There is literally one last hope. Here's the one last hope, guys. All right. There is... It actually looks pretty bad. I'll be honest with you. It does not look good. But technically, this is my box of support right here. My actual box of support with all the different confluences. We do have a few different confluences. We're currently bouncing from a 618, a 786, and a channel bottom. So there is a nice confluence from where we're at right now. We gotta hold POC. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. While we're waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision, I'm going to set an alert on the chart right here. And then I'm going to take a look at ETH to see what ETH is doing, all right? Okay, so ETH came back down below 3,500. Now, I'm telling you guys, I do not like what I see for ETH right now. I do not like it. Oh my goodness, I do not like what I see for ETH. I don't mean to be scary. All right? I don't mean to be emotional. But I do not like what I see for ETH. I'll tell you why. We got ourselves a bear div here. We got ourselves the classic upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boot pattern. Look at Sam Bankman-Fried. For some reason, the money flow on his chest is getting lower as the price is getting higher. We're just snap this screenshot, put it on Market Cipher B. It fits like a hand in a glove. All right, fits like a hand in a glove. And yeah, and so look, guys, we have been saying now for quite some time on ETH that if we lose 38.12, that we're probably coming down to 3,000. And the reason why is because we have this disgusting looking channel full of liquidity. Just everybody who longed because Trump won the election, they need their welcome to crypto, which is getting absolutely wrecked. You know, you can't just... Look, if you're not bullish on ETH during the bear market, don't expect her to be there for you just because Trump wins the election, guys. All right? I mean, seriously. But speaking of Donald Trump, you know, he does support my channel.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
So look, Trump is bullish on Jason Casper. You should be bullish on Jason Casper. Make sure to like and subscribe. But yeah, the major support for ETH, guys, is going to be right around this box. And I don't like how we have lost this right here. Let's get back to our Bitcoin trade. Oof. I'm trying not to hyperventilate. Jason, relax, buddy. What did your therapist say? Plunger on the face, deep breath. Oh. Oh, 3 deep breaths. Oh, yes, okay. That will calm you down. Now, the one thing you don't want to do is look back up at the chart. Ah! Oh my goodness! We're dumping! And ETH looks like she could come down to $3,000 as well. But look, we got a blue candle of hope right here on the screen. Let's go down to the low time frame Market Cipher B on Bitcoin. We're going to go down to the 1 minute right now. Okay, so we potentially, hopefully, have ourselves a nice trigger wave on the 1 minute. About to confirm here. Money flow getting thick after the bullish divergence at the low. Come on, we got to come back above the keyline pie. All right, speaking of keyline pies, I better go look at a few pictures of key lime pies to take my mind off the dump. Key lime pie. I love key lime pie. Look at these beautiful pictures of key lime pie. This one. This is what I want. No, this is the one I want. Yes. We're going to take this. We're going to put it onto the chart. Key line. Come on, Bitcoin. Now we're going to coax Bitcoin and the market makers up with this key lime pie. All right, let's go to the 3 minute time frame. Man, we had bull divs on the 3 minute as well. But now we're getting bearish triggers. Come on, Bitcoin. You must hold. You must hold for me, Bitcoin. You must hold. Okay. We're holding a little bit. All right. We're holding a little bit. Wow, we got the likes. All right, we're going to have to do a $1,000 giveaway today. All right, congratulations, guys, for the $1,000 giveaway. Do we need the pump song? Probably. We probably do need the pump song. We got some super chats in the house. Shout out to Sevasmos Adar, who says, thanks for all you do, bro. So if possible. Yeah, we could do it. Casper, pump incoming. I really hope. Shout out again to Sevasmos Adar. Traders Reality Gang, send mad love to you, bro. Well, mad love and respect to the Traders Reality Gang. Mad love and respect to Tino from Traders Reality. And shout out to Chipapi. Can't wait for the freestyle, my guy. Well, I think we might have to try the pump song first. Before we do a freestyle. Oof. But if anyone has a beat they want me to freestyle over, pop the title. You gotta copy and paste the YouTube video title in the chat and say freestyle over this beat, and then we'll try and do it. All right, only if I'm feeling the beat. Okay, let's zoom out here on the order flow. Market Cipher B. Not Market Cipher B, order flow. Yeah, just a big decrease of OI here. But look, this is such a key support. This is such a key support that must hold. It must hold. We need it to hold. While we're waiting for it to hold, let's take a look at Sol. All right, we'll take a look at Sol. Now, Sol, again. Wow, Sol is at massive support right now, guys. Sol is literally at massive support. So let's see here. Let's see here. Got to remove some of the stuff on the chart. Got to remove some of this stuff. All right, yeah, let's remove this. Sol right now is at very key support. Let's go to the daily time frame. This is very important. This really needs to hold for Sol, guys. This area right here, if this doesn't hold for Sol, that is not a good look. All right, this is not a good look if we don't hold this right here. All right, let's go ahead and pull our fibs as well. We're going to pull our fib from the last low to the high. Wait a second. Where were we? Aha, yes. Yes, this must hold for Sol, guys. All right, we got ourselves also, look at all this. We got ourselves the value area high, the 786, the trend line. If this doesn't hold for Solana, we are not looking good, guys. We are in for a bit more of a pullback, all right? And I think it'll turn bullish again in 2025 for sure. But we do need to be aware that this is a very, very, very key level. All right, if anyone's just joined the stream, right, we're in a $500,000 knife catch Bitcoin long. We're long and afraid. All right, this is another episode of Long and Afraid. Major shout out to Landon. He says, Jason is a swell guy, never capping, always rapping. Shout out to John, TA on KSM. Guys, I'm about to lose $500,000. I mean, I'm not really going to lose $500,000, but for the sake of the sensationalism, I've got $500,000 on the line on Bitcoin. You want me to look at KSM? KSM? Yeah, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. KSM, let's take a quick look. KSM dumping, baby. So look, let's pull our fib from low to high. I would say for me right now, this is definitely going to be where we want to look because this is the support resistance flip. Just the clear key support resistance flip, right? Just the clear key support resistance flip right there on KSM as Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dump, all right? A little bit of a dump. I've never seen altcoins smacked with Bitcoin making new all-time highs. Is the bull run over? Look, the bull run always might be over. The bull run always might be over. That's just the truth of the reality of the matter. It always might be over. But, I can't say for sure, but I don't think it's over yet. I don't think it's over yet. We have double music. Is that really true? What's up with the audio? What's up with the audio? Any drones in my area? I haven't seen any, but people have been talking about them, all right? Okay, so people said the music's double. I hope I fixed the music, all right? I hope I fixed that music. FTX dumped their soul bag? Is that real? That's just FUD. FTX is over. Okay, all right. So look, yeah, like I said, I don't know if I said this on stream, but here's the thing. The bull market always might be over. Is it probably over right now? No, it's probably not over. It will probably be over in the middle of 2025. But I am 60% out of my Bitcoin spot, all right? People might think I'm stupid, you know, but it is what it is. Look, on X, follow me on Twitter, guys, at Jason_Casper. I asked, are people selling their Bitcoin? A lot of people say no. I've already sold 60% of the Bitcoin I bought in 2022. All right, I'm already 60% out, and I've been very open about this, that I am selling Bitcoin along the way up, and the reason why is because I'm here to make money, man. I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm here to make money, and I know everyone has a different view on crypto. I'm bullish on it. Don't get me wrong, but I am here to actually make money in the real world. Okay, so yeah, I'm 60% out right now, and my next sell on spot is going to be $120,000 Bitcoin, and that's going to be my final sell for the bull run, probably. Now, don't get me wrong, there's always a certain amount of Bitcoin that I will always have no matter what. I will never be out of Bitcoin. I will always hold Bitcoin, always. No matter what, I will be holding Bitcoin on spot. But the Bitcoin that I bought with the purpose of selling in the bull run, I'm already 60% out, more than half out right now, at $100,000. And so let's see what happens here. My next sell is going to be 120K if we get there. I hope we do. I think we can. But you never know, right? So that's the thing about bull runs. You never really know. You never really know. Every time you buy the dip in the bull run, you could be buying the first dip that keeps on dipping. You know, you never know. That's why it's so important to buy in the obvious bear market, right? Because you know you're not buying the top. So, but yeah, let's see what happens, guys. We're bleeding money. All right, we're down about $4,000 since the beginning of the stream. We're in a $500,000 knife catch long from the bottom. How do you off-ramp in USA? They have USA exchanges. All right, Bitcoin crossing 98,077 right now. Let's see. Oh my goodness, alerts going off. Alerts going off. Let's see. Oh my goodness, the key line pie. The key line pie. Come on, Bitcoin. Can you hold? Can she hold it, guys? Come on, hold it. It's like when you have to take a dump and you're holding it. You're holding it. You're in the car or something. You're holding it. Hopefully we don't have to pull off the side of the road to take a dump on the side of the road. I've had to do it in the past, guys. It's not a fun experience. All right? It's very humiliating. It's hard to do it with much dignity. Please explain the entry. It's juicy. The entry is this, all right? The entry is this. Our box of confluence. And we literally bounced from the 786 to the dang dollar, all right? To the dang dollar. Bouncing from the 786. We got bull divs. We got bull divs here. It's now or never. It's now or never. We're at a now or never area on Bitcoin. All right, look at this. Okay? We are at a now or never area on Bitcoin. In fact, on my chart right here, you can see the channel I have pulled. Literally, we tapped it to the dollar. All right? Tapped it to the dollar. This is a now or never area for Bitcoin. You know what else is now or never for Bitcoin, though, is this POC. Okay, so yeah, we're holding above the POC. It's just such a confluence, guys. Look at this. I mean, it's the high volume node of the range. It's the bottom of the channel. It's a golden pocket. It's a 786. We have an anchor VWAP here from the entirety of this whole consolidation. We got a daily level down there. We got the 886 here. This is make it or break it, baby. Come on, baby. I hope we're not going to break it. We're here to make it. Come on. I told my mom to watch the stream so she could be proud of me that I finally made something from my life, but she's going to see me lose it all. We got a super chat in the house. Shout out Major to the Apple King. Would you try to rap to this? I mean, is it going to get me wrecked? Is it going to get me wrecked? Is it going to get me copyright stricken? Probably, right? It's probably going to get me copyright stricken. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see if I don't know. I don't know if I could even feel this beat, man. Not during a Bitcoin dump like this. Nah, I'm sorry. I'm not feeling it. I'm sorry. I can't. It's too sloppy of a beat for me. I can't do it. I can't do it, all right? I'm so sorry. Wait, hang on. What is that noise? What's going on? All right, there's something weird going on. Okay, never mind. Something weird happened there. Okay, all right. Okay, we're back. We're back in action. We're going to do a $1,000 giveaway. Jason, does Chill Guy have a bottom or is it just a black hole? Let's check out Chill Guy as we are literally bleeding and losing money right now live. Chill Guy. Chill Guy Tether. Look, all I can see here is, hang on. Let's see. We don't have much data. Let me get some music back on. I was just telling somebody that someone was skeptical whether or not I sold Bitcoin. Of course I sold my Bitcoin. I could technically move to Mexico right now and never work another day in my life if I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? If you have an opportunity like that, you gotta sell. You gotta sell. Look, I don't really know what to say about Chill Guy. There's no support. There's nothing on the chart. I don't know what to say, man. I'm so sorry. Do we have any bull divs? It looks pretty crappy. Okay. Come on, Jason. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh. Oh. Shout out to Tom P. How am I doing today? Well, I'm a little bit in distress, my friend. I'm in a little bit of distress right here. I've, you know, I'm in a trade that's not going in my way. All right, we're hoping for a pump. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a dump. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish, banning people with the wrench. Don't come to Mexico. Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, somewhere that's not in the north. You know what I'm saying. No Lauren, no pump, says Abu. Shout out to Abu, shout out to Lauren. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's pull a local fib here. We need a freestyle to make us happy. Well, look, someone needs to throw me a beat, Rodrigo. Someone needs to throw me a beat that I can freestyle over, and it has to be a good beat. Okay, so here's the thing. Yeah, Crypto V is correct. It's a tough one. The reality is, guys, I am smoking a little bit of hopium on this. This is a last-ditch effort for a Bitcoin bounce here. It really is a last-ditch effort. The reason I say that is because the bearish divergence is confirmed, and if we do lose this support, like if we lose this box right here, and we're dipping down below like 96K, then you know, I'd say, yeah, we could bounce at 92, we could bounce at 89, we technically could bounce at 87, but the real big zone down here is going to be this just below 85K. This is going to be really major support here. So right now, this needs to hold, guys. You know, this needs to hold. Look at how important this is. Look at how important this is right here, guys. This is so important. Come on, Bitcoin. Andy from Bitcoin Census is scared. Bro, me too, man. I'm scared too. I'm scared. Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. Guys, make sure to go follow, subscribe to Andy from Bitcoin Census because, honestly, I wouldn't even be able to do what I do without Andy from Bitcoin Census. I go and watch his streams, and I download the AI transcript from everything he says, and then I literally read verbatim everything Andy said in his stream. So if you want the source of everything Jason Casper says, go subscribe to Andy from Bitcoin Census, because not only do I copy everything he says, but he's also much better than me at it. Alright? He even knows what an Elliott wave is. I thought an Elliott wave was a guy named Elliott waving like this. I thought this was Elliott wave. I had no idea it was actually a way you could trade. Shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. Okay, we're losing money here. Crypto Winter. Shout out to the Apple King. Milkbone, keep it real instrumental. I should rap over that. Alright, let's see if I can't. And hopefully this rap will... if the beat's good, it will pump the price. If the beat's bad, we will dump. Alright. Let's see. Oh, this is definitely gonna get me hit. This is gonna get me hit. Copyright strike right here. I'm sorry, I can't rap over this either, man. I'm just not feeling it, you know. I gotta feel the beat. I gotta feel it in my bones, man. You know, a good freestyle, you have to feel it. If you're not feeling it, there's nothing's gonna come out. All right, nothing's gonna come out. But thank you for the super chat. I really appreciate it. All right, shout out to Bitcoin Mowgli. Bitcoin Mowgli's always dropping the good beats. All right, he's always dropping the good beats. Let's see if this one will help with the vibes of the dump. All right. Is this, did we already do this one? Let's see.
Riot's beats, make it funky.
Yeah, yeah. I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, Here we go, yo, Jay, he can feel it. Here we go, yo, Jay, he can feel it. Bitcoin dumping, but Jay, he could feel it. Bitcoin dumping, but Jay, here we go, yeah. Took a long trade right from the bottom. Sniped it like I was looking to spot him, but then we copped him. Coming back down, we pumped up a little bit, but then we turn around, back to the ground. Bitcoin about to come through the floor, like your old friend coming straight in through the front door. Next thing you know, we're looking like we're keeping score because we're turning back, and then you know we're like Thor with the hammer. About to smash the price down, looking like a scammer. About to get the price around, frown with the hammer. Here we go, back to the entry. Was driving Bugatti, now I'm driving Bentley. Cause you know, about to get wrecked. What's the Bitcoin price even about to do next? If we're going to the gym to train chest, we never change the back, we're only getting wrecked. Then we came up with a little bit of bounce. We lost the key lime pie like an ox. Coming back to the Bitcoin chart, take a pounce to the 9 time frame minute with a slouch. Yeah, now we're losing the level. The Bitcoin price is all base and no treble. We tried to lure the market makers with the key line. They turned it around, they said, Jason, you're not lying. Cause you took the long trade. Wasn't profit, but now you're in pain. Hopefully we take a trip to Spain because we're speaking Espanol. That's my name. We got the chains in the gang as we're looking at the range. With the top to the bottom, then we're in here making change with the trade. Cha-ching, cash register opening. The Bitcoin price is looking so dope. And then hopefully we bounce right from my entry. Then I can sell this old car Bentley, get myself a Bugatti, Mercedes Benz. Then we're trading all the Bitcoin with all our good friends. Jay Casper here in the house. About to get in the red with a mouse. About to be on the couch with a slouch. Eating potato chips with an open mouth. Cause you know I got the calories, the seed oils with the fat. The Bitcoin price, what you think about that? We're going for the low and then yak. Hopefully we turn around, CDW yak. Yeah, kinda funky baby, know what I mean? We got the cheese, hopefully green and not red, if you know what I mean. The Drake Casper like a trading machine. We're coming back to the entry, get a little bounce right from the level, right into the house. Hopefully the Bitcoin price sitting on the couch. Then we turn around, just like Mickey Mouse. Mickey and Minnie got the Disney Channel. So cold outside, gotta grab my flannel with my shirt with the coat. And then we get the hope, cause we're smoking the pipe. Don't you know we ain't no dope, talking about the diapers, the pens in the mouth. Bitcoin price only going south, but we gotta turn around and go north. Everybody who longed about to get hurt. Hey, AJ, how you doing today? I said I'm trading it just like I do every day. Doing it today just like yesterday. I give it to you straight, I never give it to you gay. And you know I'm so hungry that I be eating for trays. As we're coming to the trace to make change. Walking on the treadmill, that's just how I play. Cause my name is Master J, Flow Master J with the flow. Crypto, don't you know, as we're coming out like Joe Blow with the crypto flow. Oh, then we look at our toes, walking on the treadmill. Hopefully she knows how to do it when we're pooping on the toilet. Tell me what the scoop is, because we got the market maker music going with the faker, with the Quaker of the Quaker, with the Quaker oatmeal, eating the carbs. Bitcoin price about to go far. Keep it simple, complex carbohydrates, the Bitcoin dumping. Don't mean to frustrate. And if we dump, change direction. Dump it down like an inverse erection. Gotta sit down with mad introspection. Gotta think, mad reflection. Oh no, we're in the red, about $55. If you're feeling bullish, please let me hear you holler, cause I wanna pump it back and I don't want it down. Bitcoin, I was smiling, but now I'm only frowning. What do I do next? How am I gonna explain this to my wife that I lost it all? She won't be able to go out to the mall, cause you know women don't like boys, they like money. That's the only reason they're with you, my honey. So if you can't trade, better get out of here. If you're in space, better get out, my dear, cause you know the girl's gonna leave you behind. She's gonna take your house, your kids, your life, everything you got, just because you lost the trade. Now you're looking like so dang afraid. But now we're coming back down to the entry. Lost my car, repo, and the Bentley. Okay, man. So guys, we're dumping down. All right, shout out to Bitcoin Mowgli for the beat. All right, shout out to Bitcoin Mowgli for the beat. No offense to the Apple King. So I just got to feel the beat, you know what I'm saying? All right, shout out to Thashil Rama, who says, love the streams. Please look at Mumu. We will look at Mumu in 1 second after I assess the situation. Okay, after I assess the situation. I must needs assess the situation. I must needs assess the situation. Ah! Okay. Okay, all right. All right, Jason. Just relax, man. Okay, we're at the daily. This is literally the last hope. It's looking scaly at the daily. Come on, Bitcoin. Can we do it? Oof. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, Bitcoin. No music in the background, the most awkward thing in the world. All right, we got to get on some music here. Let's get on a little bit more music. All right. Oof. $500,000 long in the red, baby. Oh my goodness. Shout out to my man J-Boy Bullish, also in drawdown. Oof. Nose clamp and plunger. I know, but I lost my nose clamp. All right, let's see how she's rolling here. This is so key, man. So key. Sorry about the loud music. Sorry about the loud music. This is so key. This is so dang key right here. Yeah. Hey, yo, Bitcoin, how you do this to me? We're coming to the level that I thought was key. Got a full bladder and I have to pee, but I'm stuck here at the charts just between you and me, because I can't take my eyes off the chart with the lines. Looking like a bear market in disguise. Thought we were gonna pump up only. Turned out that was all just baloney, cause I called my friend. I said, Bitcoin's pumping, you think I should buy? The price ain't slumping. My friend warned me, you're probably buying the top, but I couldn't listen, I just couldn't stop. I went to Coinbase.com and I put all I had into the account. Then I just went mad buying Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, now we're dumping, so annoying. In the red, $2,000 got boing. Oh my goodness, can't believe we're in the red. My long trade had just ended dead, and then we were up, got the bars, my head, the green, coming back down, butter the bread instead. The way it goes, you know, I gotta tread in the water lightly so I don't get red or dead. You know, I gotta come back to the top. Hopefully the Bitcoin price just starts to pop. Oh my goodness, the key lime pie. What a great dessert up in my eyes. This is the last support before we get hort. You know I got a short, not long, because my dork friend, he told me not to do it. I couldn't help it. Jason is so stupid. Now we're bleeding money. Oh my goodness, 3,000 Bitcoin price. I gotta turn around and I'm just about to market out the trade. Hopefully I don't get played by the market maker just to dump and wick me out. To turn around, then my frown will be a pout. We'll take a look at the order flow. What do you know? We're gonna take a quick look out below. We got the shorts opening up at the monthly open. The Bitcoin price, man, I hope she's just joking. But now we're getting a bounce. Hopefully the Bitcoin price can hold with an ounce of water in the cup. Don't you know that we've only had enough? About to go to the 1 minute time frame. Don't you know the price action got me insane? Don't you know the price action got me in pain? Don't you know it hurts going straight through my brain? About to turn on market Cipher. Grab your diaper, cause we're going down. It's so hyper. Technically we got a bullish div, man. Look at that. Got the uneven butt cheeks, what a clap. Don't you know it's big on the left and nice and juicy, and it's skinny on the right side to round out the booty. About to grab the screenshot right here, put it on the chart, let me spit it in your ear, my dear. Coming back, got the money flow coming up, and the uneven butt cheeks right in the cup of the coffee with the caffeine in my veins. Jason Casper, man, insane in the membrane. Here we go, only down 1,000, 1,800. Then we turn around and yeah, the beat's over. So we gotta chill out. My name's Grover. Oh, okay. All right, guys, this is literally the make it. I mean, this is the last level of hope right here. Okay, this is the last level of hope. 96. We'll do 96.1. Yeah, we'll do that for now. All right. $100x leverage long, baby. You know what? What the heck, man? Now's the time. 100x, baby. Whoop. Boom. Here we go. 100x long, baby, from the bottom. We gotta pump it up. All right, we gotta pump it up. Let's see if we can't pump it up real quick with the pump song. This is now or never. This is the pump song, guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. Sometimes it has a delayed effect. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, Bitcoin, this is our last hope. 100x leverage long. 100x leverage long. Oh my goodness. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Here we go, baby. Here we go. It's our last hope. It's our last hope. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Let's pump! All right. This is our last hope to pump the Bitcoin price. Yeah! I hope you have your plungers ready. Yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. We're gonna dump. What? Wait. Oh no! I just got stopped out. How did that even happen? How did this even happen? Bleh. Wait, what? What? Pull! Wait. Hang on. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see this? Did you just see what happened? I got stopped out, but it didn't hit my... Do you guys see that? What the heck, man? What the heck? What the heck? Did you see that? I just got stopped out. It didn't even hit my stop. Did you guys see that? Did you guys just see that? Did you just see that? Did you guys just see that? Did you just see that? What in the world has just happened? Did you see that? Yeah, look, $500,000. Liquidation. It was a liquidation. I should have been using 100x leverage. 0.06 Bitcoin loss. Let's see here. 0.06 Bitcoin loss. Was that really my margin on the trade? Was only 0.06 Bitcoin? That's so little. Okay. All right, okay. Man, I got liquidated. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Liquidated live, baby. Liquidated live. Liquidated live. Oh, man. So much for internet sensationalism. I shouldn't have done that. Well, you know, it is what it is, guys. All right? It is what it is. How much did I actually lose on this? Let's see. 0.06 Bitcoin. Is that like, that's like 6 grand, right? Yeah, that's 6 grand. Okay. That's not a big deal. I already made 42 grand on the trade. So 36, yeah, about 30. I made about $36,000 on the trade. That's not so bad. 36K is not so bad. But man, I was not expecting that to happen, guys. I'll be honest with you. All right? I was not expecting that to happen. But all right. We're out, baby. We're out. White box is not holding anything. Is that not crazy? That's crazy. Can you believe that? Liquidated. Sorry about the loud music there. Man, that's crazy, man. Liquidated. Liquidated. Can you believe that? Can you believe that, guys? Liquidated. Liquidated. Can you believe that? So, you know, this is the same reaction I had when I found out my wife was pregnant with our 3rd kid. Really? Pregnant? You're pregnant. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Pregnant? Pregnant? Can you believe that? We're pregnant? Oh my goodness, guys. I just got liquidated live. A $500,000 Bitcoin position liquidated live. That is nuts, man. Pregnant? Really? Pregnant? But how? How though? You know, how? Man, how? Pregnant? That's crazy. Pregnant. I know, right? Now we pump. Oh my goodness. That is, look, okay, guys, just to let you know, usually when I kick my leverage up to 100x, I'm not risking anything. But this time, I guess it was a little bit below my liquidation price, and I got liquidated. But here's the deal. All right. Let's see. This is my last stop loss. So this Bitcoin trade has been open since the 5th of December. And I wish it would show me like per position trade history. Yeah, liquidation. Look at that. Does it show you your P&L? I don't know. Either way, I made over $35,000 on the trade, so I didn't really lose anything. But that is a little bit frustrating. That is a little bit frustrating. I would have still been in the trade right now. Let's check out market Cipher B real quick. Let's go to our 6-minute time frame. Pregnant? Really? Pregnant? But how is that possible? How is this possible? Okay, we do have a little bit of bull div on the 6-minute here, guys. Man, we got a little bit of bull div on the 12, but money flow looks bad. Man, pregnant? Pregnant? Look, this is still a make it or break it level right here, guys. This is still a make it or break it level. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Splashfire Film. Shout out to Gintara's Kinery. Shout out to Carlos. Another 100x. Nah, we'll still do a giveaway. Don't worry, J-Boy. We'll still do a giveaway. Oh, my goodness. We'll still do a giveaway. Oh, man. Can you believe that, guys? Can you believe that? All right, I'm going to long it again here. I'm going to long it again. I can't believe that. Oh, I better take my leverage off 100. Let's see. I'm going to long it again. Obviously with a much smaller position size now. All right, we're in a long again. Let's see. We got to try the pump song again, all right? Let's try the pump song again. It's now or never. It's now or never. All right, pump song again. Pump song again, now or never, baby. All right, not financial advice. All right, come on, baby. This is it. It's now or never. It's literally now or never. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, key lime pie. Let's pump. Okay, this is it. Now or never. We're back in the trade, baby. Yeah. Here we go. We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Come on, baby! Come on! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Alright! Come on, baby! Let's pump! This is our last chance. We're at the last key support before we dump all the way down. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Come on, Bitcoin. We're up $74. $74, negative 13. Come on, baby. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. You're right. You're right. This is it. This is our last chance, baby. This is our last chance to pump the Bitcoin before probably we're gonna dump down below 90K. This is our last major support. Shout out to Trader Geo. I changed my leverage to 100. No, it's back to 10, man. I changed my leverage to 100. I got liquidated by accident. Alright. But we're back, baby. We're back. We're back in action. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pop. Yeah, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pop right now. All right. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. This is the make it or break it. And I'll be honest with you. When I started this live stream, I thought I was going to be able to retire my parents. But turns out no. Turns out no. Let's see. Let's see what happens at this white line. This is super key. Super key on the white line, baby. Man. Nuts. 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 Alright. Where's my stop loss? There is no stop loss. Just kidding. My stop loss is right here at 95,990, which if hit will lose me another 0.0, maybe like 0.02 Bitcoin, right? So we're basically $8,000. The liquidation plus this will lose me 8K on the trade. But you guys have to understand, I'm totally fine with that, because the trade itself, if you saw at the beginning of the stream, was up, I think, like 42K, 42, 43K. So, I mean, when I say I'm more than happy with the profits I've made, and I'm more than willing to long at this last-ditch effort support and risk $8,000 of my close to $200,000 profit I've made since November, I'm more than happy to do so. Plus, I'm in a short right now, which is up $18,000 as well. So I'm a sensational for the internet, guys, but you have to understand, everything I'm doing is actually very calculated with good risk management. I'm not gambling. The 100x leverage thing was stupid of me to do, but I don't actually trade like that, okay? You gotta understand. I am an entertainer. Like, I'm literally an entertainer. I'm here screaming into a plunger for you. But, yes, so I'm not actually gambling. I'm not actually being stupid here. I'm longing because we're at support. I do see some bullish divergences, and if we're going to get a bounce, guys, you have to understand, this is the place. So, it's not looking the best, though. It's not looking the best, honestly. We're losing support. All right, we're losing support. This is the channel. Like, just to reiterate why this is so important, guys. Multiple confluences right here. You know, the 786, the channel, the high volume node, all that kind of stuff. All right, so smash up the likes. Oh my goodness. I wonder what the president has to say about this dump.
Now, let me be clear. I've been dead since 2019, and every time you've seen me on TV, it's either been a deep fake or a body double. But the science is settled. This is all Trump's fault.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle, baby.
All right, so we got both sides of the issue. We got the left and the right. We got the long. We're in the red. Hopefully our trades don't end up dead. This is nuts, man. This really is nuts. Shout out to Jim Girl. Shout out to Mariella. Shout out to Joey. Shout out to DJeep Crypt. You only play stupid on the YouTubes. Shout out to Casual TA. My condolences. I appreciate you, bro. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. J-Boy Bullish. My man. Close that long, brother, but oh well. Hakuna Matata. Okay, yeah, so look, let's be real here. Let's be real about what's happening with Bitcoin, okay? We'll remove the keyline pie. So essentially, guys, we are breaking down from a pretty key support, which is this channel, all right? And here's the reality. Losing and closing a daily candle below this trend line, which really goes all the way back to here, right? Opens up a potential dump down to the bottom of the sideways range, which is around $85,000. I would hope we would hold the $85,000. If we don't hold the $85,000, the reason 85 is so important, guys, is because it's the last major golden pocket pull, and it's the bottom of the range. So this is our support if we're gonna close a daily candle below here, and we might not. We might reclaim and all that stuff, right? We might. But then we need to be aware of this box right here. This box is going to be 82 to 85K. And then after that, we need to be aware of the CME gap that we have at 77.5. So that's going to be, let's go to our 4-hour time frame. That CME gap at 77.5 is going to be right around here. All right, so this is a key level, key CME gap. These are major supports, major buy zones. If you're bullish on Bitcoin and you're angry that I'm talking about support, take note. These are places to buy. If you're still bullish, these are places to be long in my opinion. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. And then the last major zone to be looking for that long. Actually, I'm curious. Yeah. So the last major long zone is going to be the golden pocket, the macro, in the low 70s. This is so important. We go to the daily, and this is basically the back test of our support resistance flip, right around here. So essentially, this last zone, this, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, you guys have to understand, but yesterday we were talking about taking it level to level, and today we are potentially going to close the day below a very key support. Okay, so talking about taking it level to level, when you close the daily candle below a key support that's literally been support since November 12th, you have to be open to these moves to the downside, right? And so the next big move to the downside that I'd be interested in is going to be this area, and then the 77.5, and then this right here, the low 70s. This is probably, if we do come down there, going to be the big move of the bull market, that if there is a continuation of the bull market, which I believe there is, and let's say we do hit 120,000, this is going to be that swing trade, right? This is going to be the breakout and the retest opportunity that happens once, honestly, like probably about 3 times per bull market, right? We had this happen back in, when was the last time we had this? Oh yeah, I mean, we had this back here in the summer of 2023, right? We had this major breakout and retest, right? Breakout and retest, double retest, and then we had it right here, right? When we had this high from January, we got the breakout and the retest, and so this would probably be the last time that actually happens. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh. All right. Oof. Okay. All right. We're out. We're out the dang market. All right. All right, guys. It was a good run. I made like $35,000 on that long trade since December 5th. All right. So it's been 14 days. I made $35,000 in 14 days. I cannot be mad about that. I cannot be mad. I wanted to make $100,000 on the trade. I made $35,000. I cannot be mad. All right. I'm not going to be mad about it. It is what it is. All right. This Bitcoin long trade still open from 67K. Not going to close it. This trade, I'm going to look to compound it if we come down to some of our key levels. The Bitcoin short trade from the CDW at 107. I've got this open now, up $17,000 in profit. I locked in a nice $2,500 profit just to cover a stop loss, basically. And so, yeah, basically, here's what I'm looking at now, guys. We closed this daily candle below our trend line, and I would be expecting lower prices. Doesn't mean we're definitely getting them, but I would be expecting them and planning to long those lower levels. All right, long the lower levels. So Bitcoin dumping, baby. Not exactly what I was hoping for, to be honest with you. But yeah, I would have to say a daily close below this, and our next target is going to be down at the bottom of this range right here. So our next target for the short would have to be around $85,000. All right, that's going to be the next target for this. Assuming we close the daily candle below. We might close the daily candle above, but so far it's not looking the best, is it, guys? So far it's not looking the best. Everyone's waiting for 85K, so I hope then we front run it, right? I hope then we maybe front run it. What do I think about Sol? Well, Sol's at very key support, but if Bitcoin's going to dump, then, man, can you believe it? That white box didn't hold. White box did not hold, so yeah, this is not good. Sol's at key support, but if Bitcoin's going to dump like this, I would not be surprised if Sol comes down lower to the 786 trend line support resistance flip. All right, you know, so is he gooning? I don't know what gooning means. Maybe I'm gooning. Oh, am I? I see Elliot. Oh, it's Elliot Wave in the house, man. Shout out to Elliot Wave. Look, man, it's a tough, very emotional thing. You know, trading is a very emotional thing. You know, sometimes the noises just come out your mouth and you can't help it. All right? Sometimes the noises just come out your mouth and you can't help it. Is it a bird flu crash? Is this real? I've been hearing stuff about that. Powell cooked this yesterday. Yeah, man, that's a bummer. Shout out to Crypto Prof. I already lost 75% of my crypto portfolio since February because you trade as a beginner. Well, now's the time to learn, honestly. Shout out to Judas the Trader, who's actually, his real name is Abjude. I closed the positions that were anchoring us in at 108K and just opened a new pump once 10 minutes ago and it's starting to dump more now. Y'all had a chance to sell Bitcoin at 100K, but everyone got too bullish at the top. Well, look, I've been very open and honest about you. I am 60% out of my spot Bitcoin. I sold Bitcoin at 100,000. Actually, I sold it at $99,500. I sold Bitcoin at $99,500. And I was planning to sell Bitcoin at $99,500 since November of 2022. And all the Bitcoin I bought in 2022, I am 60% out. 60% out. I have sold a lot of Bitcoin in the last few months. And I don't regret it. Even if we, like, here's the thing. I don't think the bull run's over. I really don't think the bull run is over, guys. It's not over. All right. Shout out to my man, Sam Price. He says, every loss creates my next win. Yeah, that's for sure. Shout out to Sam Price, Crypto Lifer. And if you're not already subscribed, go subscribe to Crypto Lifer. Honestly, definitely one of the top 3 crypto trading channels in the space. All right. Make sure to go check him out. The dude is an all-around great guy. Amazing analyst, amazing trader. And honestly, man, he's one of the... in fact, he probably, for sure, is the hardest working YouTuber I know. Dude is like always streaming, hasn't taken a day off. In what, man? Like 3 years? So, shout out to Sam Price. Go subscribe to Crypto Lifer. Yeah, so, you know, I know people think I'm done for selling Bitcoin, but like I said, you gotta have a plan. You gotta go into these markets with a plan. And if I didn't sell Bitcoin, I would regret it. I'll be honest with you. I would regret it if I didn't sell it because then I wouldn't have stayed true to my plans. And right now, having sold Bitcoin, like I said, technically if I wanted to, I could just up and move to some other place, never work another day in my life. Obviously, that's all dependent on God and His mercy upon me because you're not guaranteed another day, you're not guaranteed another breath, you're not guaranteed another heartbeat. But assuming all things are continuing on as they are now, you know, having sold that Bitcoin, it's like a big load off, man. It is really like a big load off, I'll be honest with you. Now I know you're saying, it's going to go up to 500,000. Okay, baby, well, here's the thing. I plan to buy in the next bear market and I'm a trader. Okay, so I'm making money here and there and everywhere. Shout out to Crypto Lifer again. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Cryptorian. Shout out to David Brumblebow. Yeah, Crypto Lifer, he never takes a day off, man. Shout out to Dusty Hodler. He says, check IMX, you big freak with a big black fib. Thank you for the super chat, my man. All right, let's check it out. IMX. All right, so IMX, I do like the chart. I have to be honest with you. I like what I see here. We're going to go to the weekly. IMX on the weekly. We do have ourselves a bullish div on the weekly, and then change market structure, higher low, with a hidden bull div, higher high, and then another higher low, and we're going to go ahead and pull our fib. And we're bouncing right between the 786 and the 886, which is nice. So yeah, look, I don't know what Bitcoin's going to do. You can't expect these things to do what you want if Bitcoin's going crazy. So either this is a bottom here and we're going to continue in the uptrend, or we come back down. The only major support we have is actually down back here by the high volume node at around 60 cents. So if this isn't our low, I would wait for 60 cents. All right. Bitcoin's pumping now, guys, because we got stopped out and wrecked. Where we come down to 95.5. Let's see, 95.5. 95.5. 95.5. 95.5. All right. Shout out to TD. Can we look at Turbo Coin? Yeah, we could look at Turbo Coin. We could look at Turbo Coin real quick. Then we're going to do a $1,000 giveaway, all right? Then we're going to do a $1,000 giveaway. So if you like $1,000 giveaways, make sure to stick around. Make sure to stick around. All right, so here's the deal with Turbo. Right now, I would be, if I was looking for a long on this thing, you have a few options, all right? I'm just gonna give you technical levels here. Option number one is literally where we're at right now. You could say to yourself, this is a nice higher low. We made a higher high, and now we're coming back down for a higher low, for a rounded bottom, all right? We're bouncing from the 78686 fib. If this is not a low, then this would be my zone actually to be very interested in, between 4 and 5 cents, because this right here, if we're gonna look at this, is one move, right? This is where I would be interested in it, all right? I'd be interested in a pullback to this green box, much more interested. All right, let's see. Man, I would really hate it Bitcoin pumps now, man. It would do me dirty. It would do me so dirty. In the worst way. Dirty in the worst way. Dirty in the worst way, man. Shout out to Fahino. And shout out to R Pink. Shout out to everyone in here, crypto lifers. Shout out to My Crypto Goods, long Bitcoin now. Man, I just can't. I just can't do it now. You know, I'm not in the right mindset. I'm not in the right mindset to long Bitcoin now, as much as I would want to. Let me check out Market Cipher quick. It's probably gonna have bull divs. Yeah, I'm not gonna long Bitcoin now, guys. I'm done. I'm done trading for the week. I'm done trading for the week. All right. I'm done trading for the week. Let's see. Shout out to Mark333. Can we look at STX? We gotta do a $1,000 giveaway first, all right? And then we could look at that. We're gonna do a $1,000 giveaway, guys. So here's the deal. Here's how we're gonna do the giveaway. We are going to have you guys spam the chat with your Tether address, all right? Spam the chat with your Tether address. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count down from 10, and I'm gonna take a screenshot, and whoever is highlighted by my mouse in the chat wins 1,000 USDT. So spam the chat with your Tether address. We're gonna end this poll because obviously we didn't bounce from here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen so you guys can see. All right, here we go. Spam it with your Tether address. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so our winner is Stephen S. Shout out to Stephen S. Our winner, Stephen S. Stephen S. is the winner. Congratulations, Stephen S. You just won $1,000. All right, I'm about to send that over to you right now, Stephen S. Congratulations to Stephen S. Bitcoin is bouncing from the anchored VWAP from the 11th. Major shout out to everyone who participated in the games. Yeah, it might be bouncing here, guys. I got a little sliced up, so I'm gonna wait this one out, man. Let me see. All right, Stephen S. Just sent you $1,000, my man. Congratulations, Stephen S. Shout out to Wanderbread. It's rigged. Yes, it's rigged, guys. It's rigged. Oh my goodness. You know what's so funny, man? Honestly, and this is a lesson for all you guys. No matter what you do in life, people are going to be disappointed. All right, you can't please everybody, right? You could not show your trades. People say, why you don't show your trades? You can show your trades. Why you show your trades? You could sell a trading course for too much money. It's too much. Other people say it's too little. You give away money. People get upset that you give away money. You don't give away money, people get upset. You know, you're not going to please everybody. If there's something in life you want to do, just do it. Just do it. Don't worry about what people are thinking, man. It's just between you and the Lord. Just you and the Lord. Just do the right thing that you know is right. And let everyone else think what they want to think, you know? Let everyone else think what they want to think. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. He won a couple months ago. Yeah, I wouldn't fake a giveaway, guys. That's so dumb. Why the heck would I fake a giveaway? You know? I don't even know who the winner is. It's literally a random thing. I only give it to Christian and Jewish followers, says this guy. That's not true, man. we got you guys serious? Come on, man. Are you too late for the giveaway? Unfortunately, yes. It is too late for the giveaway. It is too late. But man, we done did good today. We done did good today. It was a good stream. 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 I mean, it's still a good stream. I mean, we're still streaming. You know, we're still streaming. My crypto goods one. He's not Christian or Jewish. He's Muslim. Shout out to Crypto Soothsayer. What chart am I using? This is what's it called? What's the name of the exchange? MEXC. All right, well, let's take a look at Bitcoin once again here. Let's go back to TradingView and take a look at what's happening to Bitcoin. All right, well, you know, I still have to say that my analysis stands. And if we bounce from here, then we bounce from here, and I will come back next week. A little bit disappointed that I didn't long, but a daily candle close below this channel, and I'd say 84K is the place to be. The only way I would possibly take a long right now is if we had, you know, bullish divergences on market Cipher beat, something like this, you know, getting higher over time, and the money flow also getting higher over time, just like this, you know. Wait a second, that's exactly what we see. Yeah, but the only way I would actually take along right now is if I saw some kind of local entry. So I would need to wait for something, change of structure, back test. You know, right now we're just gonna have to wait and see how she closes, man. We're just gonna have to wait and see how she closes. How she gonna close? You know, only God knows how she gonna close. All right, who we got in the chat? Shout out to AZTV. Shout out to Cryptorian. Shout out to Fair Alliance. Shout out to Timmy313. Yeah, you're never gonna please anyone, man. That's so true. Okay, Mark. We got to do STX for Mark. Didn't forget about you, bro. Just kidding, I did forget about you, but I checked the chat, so now I unforgot you. I unforgot you, my man. All right, let's check out MEXC. So this is STX. This is like a buy zone for STX, honestly. We got the channel, we got the fib, we got the 786. I mean, this is, if we're going to continue, this is support. I mean, it's the same as Bitcoin. So this is a pretty make it or break it, in my opinion. I would maybe extend this down a little bit to the value area low. But this is a very make it or break it zone for STX because we have all the signs here. Very bullish divergences, change in market structure, down for the back test. If this is going to continue bullish, this is the line in the sand. So if you're going to go out on a limb and take a risk on something, this is not financial advice, but this is the place to do it. Alright, this would be the place to do it. Let's check out order flow on Bitcoin. What's happened here? Wow, okay, so, you know, this moved down. Slight increase of open interest, shorts opening up. We might slide up from here. We saw a lot of liquidations and a lot of shorts at the exact low. We could get a move up. Let's see. I'm very curious to see how the weekly candle closes. So maybe we'll do a weekly close, weekly open stream on Sunday. Shout out to Sudeep. Would I open a short right now? No. If someone put a gun to my head and said you have to long or short, I think I would probably. I would have to long, honestly. The only reason I would have to long is because I can't short support. I just can't. I can't do it. It goes against everything within me, right? So I just can't do it. I would never open up a short here, to answer your question. That's just me personally. I could never open up a short here. I have to short a pump and long a dip. All right. Yeah, that weekly close is gonna be pretty telling. Pretty telling. Pretty dang telling. Hack said, remember when Bitcoin dropped 91 and everyone said 70? I don't know. I longed it when we dipped there. And then I added to it here. And then I added here. So I literally, my last Bitcoin trade was, I longed it here, I added here, and this is where I got stopped out. So I don't know. This has a different vibe, man. I mean, when we dropped that quick with this wick, this has a pretty different vibe than this, man. That happened so quick. That happened so quick. That was a very different vibe than this, man. Let's see how that played out there. Oh, wait a second. You guys are, we're not looking at the same chart, are we? We're not looking at the same chart. Hang on one second. Where was that big dump? I mean, okay, we might get a capitulation like this, but I mean, in 5 minutes, the price came down, you know, 8% in 5 minutes. Okay, we might get that. It did happen on a Thursday. It did happen on a Thursday. You're right. You're right. It did happen on a Thursday. So maybe if history repeats, yeah, who knows? Who knows? I hope. If we do get a massive capitulation wick like that, I hope I'm there to get into a long trade, because honestly, you can't really get a wick like that without a little bit of a bounce. Let's be real. I know that's some risky business, but this is a very technical level too. I mean, we literally came down and just took the low. So let's actually do a little analysis. I am kind of curious right now. Let's plan for some kind of capitulation, all right? Let's pop on over to TradingView again. Let's check out the volume of all this. I mean, some places we could bounce from would basically be taking out this liquidity right here, 94. And then if we make a higher low, we do have a lot of volume right at 92. Right around here, we have a lot of volume. We go to a TPO chart. Back to that day when we got that drop, and you can see that most of the volume for that whole day occurred right here at 92.2. So 92.2 is a place we could also find support. So let me see. If we get some kind of capitulation, I would actually be interested in a FOMO long trade from right this box, honestly. If we get like drop, what percent of a drop would that be? So it's about 4%. Okay, but I would be interested. If I see us bouncing from here, I might go for a long. That's going to be a long shot. I'm probably going to be at the dinner table with the family. You know how it is, you traders. At the dinner table with the family. You know, you got two phones, right? You got two phones. One phone for trading and one phone for making phone calls and stuff. And your wife doesn't know about your trading phone. So you put your normal phone on the table to pretend like you're not on your phone. But your chart phone is down under the table on your lap. And you keep glancing down. You know the technique, guys? I'll teach you the technique. It's like this. Like, you gotta look straight ahead at the family, but the eyes go down. Okay? That's how you gotta do it. And then if you see the move, then you gotta keep calm, alright? Don't freak out in front of your family. You gotta keep calm, open up the dang exchange. You know? Turn and leverage up to 100x. And then, you know, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. It's so funny, we still got people posting the dresses in here, man. Shout out to Jordan Crypt. Shout out to Pedro. You went all in? You went all in here? Alright, we're coming down a little bit more. Let's send a... Do we have an alert? Yeah. Thomas asks, are we going to zero? Nah, we're not going to zero, man. Don't worry, don't worry. We're not going to zero. Shout out to RSR. Shout out to our super chat. You want to take a look at RSR? All right, let's take a look at RSR while Bitcoin's dumping. Alright, so basically, here's the deal with RSR. You know, it's not the best risk to reward in the world, but in general, this right here is it's a valid trade. We'll take it off log just to kind of show you what I mean, because it looks kind of dumb on log scale, but you know, if this is a giant cup and handle type thing that's it's like a falling wedge breaking out, then this is the place where this is the buy zone. And now again, I don't own RSR. I'm not that bullish on it, but you know, it's a good risk to reward. So if you're bullish on it for fundamental reasons, it is in a pretty nice buy zone, in my opinion. All right, in my opinion. To be a trader, you have to let everyone know you're not completely devastated. I know, right? It's tough. It's tough. Shout out to JW. How far do you think ETH will dip before the pump? Well, $3,000 is definitely a very, very important level. We're going to 68K, says Duke. I mean, that's very, very key support. 68K is extremely key support. It's very key support. All right, these are the matrix games. In 3 months, Trump will promise to change the law for Bitcoin, and we go through it all over again. Yeah, I mean, seriously, stuff like that very well could happen. Shout out to Jordan Crypt. God bless you, bro. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. May Jesus bless you all. May God bless everybody in Jesus' name. I do pray everybody is very blessed. You and your families are very blessed in multiple ways. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, I like doing these streams. I love all of you guys. I will be back next week, y'all. So that being said, peace.